Hello everyone. In today's video we will discuss about Garfinkel's ethnomethodology. Garfinkel basically opposed a person's idea of a social order. He took the idea of Alfred Schutz phenomenology of the social world and he criticized or opposed the Pearsonian idea of the reality or the person's idea of the conception of reality. According to Tulker Pearsons, the social reality can be objectively measured, or the scientific tool can be used to understand the social order, or what Garfinkel said as the correspondence theory. According to him, this correspondence theory the scholars uses to understand the social action and social order of the society. That means Pearsons focused on the scientific tools or the schemata, what Garfinkel has called as schemata, that is a scheme or scientific tools which the used, that is Pearson used and the other followers of the Pearson used to develop a description of the social order in the sociology, that Garfinkel considered as the conventional sociology. So he opposed this conventional sociology and he started his understanding of the society by following Schutz phenomenology of the social world. Garfinkel found three problems with the Pearsonian idea of the reality or the theory of social order. The first problem is the problem with sociological description. According to Garfinkel, the Pearson's idea of the social order is not satisfactory. According to Garfinkel, the result of sociological discussion or sociological research has no similarity with the actors or individuals' actual experience of the social world. That means the Pearson's idea of the reality and Pearson's the analytic tool to understand the social order is just the theoretical categorization of the society, theoretical categorization of the individual's actions in the society, but that do not take into consideration of the individual's real experience of the social world. Second problem what he found is the problem of relying on analytical categorization in observation. According to Garfinkel, the conventional sociology uses analytical tools or scientific tools to observe. That means the observation of the social world also based on the pre-given or the pre-decided tools or techniques, but according to Garfinkel this is not right or this is not correct, because individuals' way of experience and individuals' subjective experience cannot be understood by this analytical tool based observation. According to Garfinkel, third problem is the difficulty to understand individuals' actions, individuals' relationship with the society, or how individual or how actors engage in the social relationship from his description of the social order. According to Garfinkel, conventional sociology believes that society maintains its order, society maintains its organized pattern because it is already regulated by a set of rules, regulations which is underlies in the society or which underlies in the social structure. That means society's orderly condition, society's organized condition is because of the set of rules, regulations which underlies the social structure. So it ignored the individual's experience of the world and individuals' the individual's action in the society. Garfinkel also stated that conventional sociology believes that society maintains order because individuals who regulates their actions according to the society's structures, norms and values. According to Garfinkel, everyday life of the individual or everyday life of the actor is not dependent on the pre-given or pre-organized set of rules, regulations, norms, values, cultures and others. Rather, it is because of the individual's use of the sense to the world around them. Individual can make sense of the world around them. An individual makes sense of the world around them with the help of the stock of knowledge which they acquire through socialization throughout their life. So, in this case, Garfinkel took the idea of Alfred Schutz phenomenology. So, Garfinkel basically criticized the conventional sociology's way of understanding the society and the way of describing society. So, Garfinkel turned in the way of paradigm shift in the sociology through his ideas, and in his paradigmatic shift in sociology, he took the idea of the Alfred Schutz, that is Alfred Schutz phenomenology. Garfinkel used the Alfred Schutz idea of the use of the sense to understand the social world or the natural world. Alfred Schutz stated that human beings or individuals typifies, that is, they are able to classify or typify various objects and various matters in the society. Individual can attach meaning to this and they understand these things. How they are able to do these things? Because of their stock of knowledge. They use the stock of knowledge to do all these things. Alfred Schutz also tried to describe how individual actors interpret the world around them, and this interpretation and this sensing of the world is because of the stock of knowledge which they have, and this stock of knowledge they earn through socialization process. Garfinkel also used the Alfred Schutz idea of the orientation of the individuals to the social world. That is how individual orients them into the social world. So, individual orient them in the society in different way. There is different individuals orient them in different way in a particular situations. And another important thing is that there are different type of social realities exist, and different individuals interpret a particular social realities in different way. So, a particular reality cannot be explained, cannot be described on the basis of the pre-organized or presumed set of rules, regulation, norms, values and systems. Individuals' way of experiencing the life world, way of experiencing the society and social reality has to be understood. Garfinkel used the term ethnomethodology in 1954 during the convention of the American Sociological Association. What is the meaning of the ethnomethodology then? Ethnomethodology is the study of the people's method of understanding social order, society and the world. That is the study of individuals' own method of understanding the social order, society and the world around them. So, Garfinkel basically termed this ethnomethodology as sociological attitude. According to him, sociologists should use the sociological attitude to carry out a description of the social order, to carry out an understanding of the social order, and this sociological attitude of Garfinkel is the bedrock of his idea of the ethnomethodology. That means this ethnomethodology is a turning point in the sociology. It's a paradigm shift in the sociology which opposed the conventional sociology's way of understanding of the social order. Garfinkel mentioned about two procedures which individuals or actors uses to understand the social order or to make sense of the social order. These are indexicality and reflexivity. Indexicality means understanding of the individual's actions in a orderly way, means how individual's action is indexed or ordered in the society. Individual's action is not pre-given or pre-established. Their sequence is not pre-established. Reflexivity, in other words, means individuals' way of interpreting the social phenomena, social reality and the society. There is individuals, it gives the society a orderly form. Individuals makes the society a orderly society. Society do not makes individuals action orderly, rather individuals actions makes the society orderly, and their interpretation of the reality, their interpretation of the social objects makes the society in orderly form. So this is how indexicality and reflexivity is important part of the ethnomethodology. In the next video, we will discuss a more detail about the ethnomethodology of Garfinkel.